Hello everyone. In this video we're going to write a program that finds if a year is a leap or not. So to do that we're going to first write a function that returns true if the year is leap and otherwise false. So I'm going to start defining a function using def as the keyword, and then the name of a function is leap, and this function takes in an argument that is called year. Start off definition with a colon. And I'm gonna have this function return either true or false. So I'm gonna store the value of true or false in a variable called isLeap, and I'm gonna give it an initial value of false, and then I'm just gonna return that. Return isLeap at the end of our function. But we need to do some work here because this is gonna return false all of the time. So the condition is for the leap year, if year is divisible by 4. So I'll just separate that with the space so you can see it better. If the modulus sign returns 0, it means the year is divisible by 4. And if one of these is true, then it's a leap year. So if it's divisible by 400, or if it's not divisible by 100. So if the divisible by 100 is not equal to 0. So if it's divisible by 4, and if it's divisible by 400 or not divisible by 100, then we return, isLeap becomes true. Okay. So that's what we get, and so let's test our function. So I've just gotten some examples of leap years from 2000 to 2030. So we want to loop through the years 2000 to 2030 to find if the year is leap or not. And so we should get true for all of these leap years and false otherwise. So instead of doing this manually, like making a call. So instead of doing, so we could do print and then isLeap and then pass in 2020, and then, not 20, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. So this is going to take us time, but let's run it anyway and see what we get. So we get true for 2000 to be a leap year, and 2004 for being a leap year. But what we can do instead is do a loop that does all of this for us. So what we can do is we can say for year in range. So this is our variable, and we want the range function to give us a range of numbers starting with 2000 and ending with 2030. And then what we do is we say is year, so we just want to have something for the user, is the year that was whatever's coming in the variable leap. And then we'll just put in the variable year instead. So I'll just get rid of all of these lines. And let's print it out. So we should be getting true for 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024, and 28. So you can increase or decrease all of these values to check for more years. So I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in future videos. Thank you.